Good morning, students. In last lecture, we already discussed about the decomposition and combination reaction. But we do in this the revision video. This was the revision video for the physical and chemical changes and chemical reaction chapter. Yes. Now we try to do balance these equations. Some another practice. If you want to do more practice, yes, see there. Some another reactions are there. One by one we discuss. Yes, zinc plus hydrogen chloride when react with that give us zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. When you put metal, acid on metal, that gives us a salt plus H2 gas. Yes, but we have to do only balancing only. Here, see. How many elements are there? One zinc and one is a hydrogen and one is a chlorine. Here also. First of all, which one is the more atomic number, which one more quantity you have to balance first. This is more in quantity, that's why you have to balance first. Here zinc 1, here zinc 1, here chlorine. Then after zinc you have to count the chlorine. Zinc both sides same. Chlorine 1, chlorine 2. Then you have to multiply with the 2 in front. 1 into 2. Now chlorine balance. Now you see the hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 2. Here also 2. Now balance. Very easy reaction, students. Keep in mind, first of all count the how many elements are there, then try to balance. See there both side reactant and product side. I already told which reaction is not balanced, that is called unbalanced reaction. Or which you have to balance, that is called balanced reaction. Or which is already balanced, that is called self-balanced reaction. Yes. This is the photosynthesis reaction. When CO2 react with the water, that gives a glucose and oxygen gas. So first of all, see how many elements are there. One is a carbon, yes, one is a carbon, one is a hydrogen and one is a oxygen. First of all, balance the carbon. Yes, carbon is a 1. Here carbon is a 6. You multiply the, yes, you should multiply the with the 6. Here 6 balance. Now count the oxygen and hydrogen, you have to balance at last. Yes, oxygen how many here? Yes, here oxygen how many? 1 and 12. 6 to the 12, that is a 13. Here 6 and 2, 8. So how you balance? See there. Here, first of all, you see the next hydrogen. Yes, hydrogen here 2, here 12. So you should multiply with the 6. Now see the oxygen. Yes, so oxygen is a 12 or 6, 18. Here I do balanced already oxygen 6 or 18. Here oxygen 6, here oxygen 2. So here you want oxygen here 18 also. You multiply it with the 6. Then you get 12 plus 6, 18. Very easily students. So 6 here, now you check carbon 6, oxygen 12 or 6, 18, 6 or 12, 18. Here hydrogen 6 or 2, 12 and here also 12. So reactants side both sides are equal, that's why now equation balance. Now third equation, metal oxide plus water give us base. Yes, metal oxide. Now first of all, oxygen and hydrogen at last, sodium 1, sodium 1. First of all, see how many elements are there? 3. Yes, first is the sodium, then is the hydrogen, oxygen. Sodium 2, sodium 1. So you should multiply with the 2. Now you see oxygen, 1 or 1, 2. Here 2 1 ja 2. So 2 both side balance, hydrogen. Here 2, here 2. You are able to balance the equation very easily, students. Yes. Now sodium carbonate with the, when carbonate react with acid, give salt plus H2 plus CO2 gas. Yes, carbonate. Here you see how many elements are there. See students. Yes, sodium, carbon, oxygen. Yes, sodium, carbon, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen. 5 elements are there. First of all, you should balance the chlorine. See there. Here chlorine 1, here chlorine 1. Sodium, chlorine, sodium 2, sodium 1. What you should do? Multiply with the 2. But now chlorine here, see chlorine also 2. So you should multiply also with the 2. That's why chlorine 2. Sodium 2, sodium 2. Chlorine 2, chlorine 2. Now you see carbon. Carbon here 1, here 1. Balance both sides. Already balanced. Now oxygen. Here 3, here 1 or 2, 3. Already balanced. Hydrogen. Here hydrogen 2, here hydrogen 2. Yes, it's balanced. Again check. Sodium 2, sodium 2. Chlorine 2, chlorine 2. Carbon 1, carbon 1. Oxygen 3, oxygen 1 or 2, 3. Already balanced. Yes. Now you see the next reaction. That is a non-metal oxide plus water always give acid. See. How many elements are there? See first of all. Yes students. One is the sulfur, hydrogen. Yes. Sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen. 3 are. First of all balance the sulfur. Sulfur 1, sulfur 1. Oxygen 2 and 3. 2 or 1, 3. Here 3. Hydrogen 2. Self-balanced reaction students. Very easy reaction. Self-balanced reaction. Yes. Now you see potassium chlorate. That is a potassium chlorate reaction. Yes. How many elements? That is a potassium, chlorine and oxygen. Potassium 1 this side 1. Chlorine 1, chlorine 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 3. Oxygen 3, oxygen 2. Now what you should do? Here you should multiply with the 2. Then oxygen becomes 6. And here also 3, that becomes 6. Now here potassium 2, chlorine 2. Now you should multiply with the 2. It's very easy reaction. Yes, it's very easy reaction. You should multiply with the 2. Now you check. Potassium 2, potassium 2. Chlorine 2, chlorine 2. Oxygen 6, oxygen 6. Yes, balance. So this is the way to balance the reaction. First you see the number of elements or component both side. You see them. You should balance the reaction. First of all count on the reactant side, then product side. If same, then it is a balanced reaction. Another example now you see for the decomposition and combination reaction. You should guess if it is a combination reaction or the decomposition reaction. One reaction we already done. Yes. Yes. HGO. Mercuric oxide. Yes. Mercurous oxide. When you heat it gives a Hg plus O. First of all balance. Mercury 1, mercury 1. Oxygen 1, oxygen 2. You should multiply with the 2. Here mercury 2. That is a 2. Now balance. Yes students, please tell, this is the decomposition or combination reaction. Yes, yes. Yes, it is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction students. Because one compound break into 2 or more element or compound. Yes, any another example already done? Yes. H2 plus Cl2. That is a HCl. First of all balance there. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 1. Multiply with 2. Chlorine you first of all balance. 2 multiply with 2, 2 balance. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen already balance. Yes student, please tell this is the which type of reaction? Combination or decomposition? Yes, very easy. That was the combination reaction. Combination. When 2 or more reactant gives a one product compound, that is called combination reaction. Yes, any another example? Yes, any another example? Lot of examples are there. One reaction is acid. Any other? For example, silver chloride. When you give light in the presence of light in the presence of light, it break into AgCl2. One more reaction, NaCl break into Na plus Cl2. Yes, Na plus Cl2. This is a break with the help of electricity. First of all balance silver 1, silver 1, chlorine 1, chlorine 2. Then you should multiply with 2 and now balance either. Silver 2, chlorine 2, chlorine 2. Here you also balance first of all Na1, chlorine 1, chlorine 2, multiply with 2. Now sodium also 2. Very easily balance. Yes, please tell which type of these reaction. That was a decomposition reaction students. Very easy. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Yes. Sometimes questions come when magnesium react with oxygen. Write the reaction and balance it. Yes. Form the magnesium oxide. Very easy reaction, student. Magnesium, when magnesium ribbon burn in the presence of oxygen, it gives the magnesium oxide. How you form magnesium? Mg2 positive, O2 negative. Cut. Metal plus oxide, that is called metal oxide. Yes. Here magnesium 1, here magnesium 1. Here oxygen 2, oxygen 1. You should multiply with the 2. Now magnesium also 2. Yes, balance. So these types of reaction should come. Yes. Any another example? Yes. Now we discuss about some different type of physical and chemical change, some other type of changes also, reversible, irreversible, periodic, non-periodic. Yes. When you yes. For example, first of all, growing of seed into tree. This was a physical change or chemical change? Yes, students. Yeah, desirable, undesirable, periodic, non-periodic, slow, fast. This was the slow change also. Take a lot of time. One is the desirable change also. Desirable change. Any another example? Seed converted into tree as a chemical change also. Biological reactions happen is there. Chemical change inside the tree. Seedling is there. Seedling is there. Yes. For example, sugar plus water. When sugar mix in water, completely mix. But actually the formula same. No new formula formed. They show the property of sugar also and water also. That's why it is a physical change only. Yes, ripening of fruit. Ripening of fruit. Physical or chemical change. Yes, it is a physical, not chemical change only. Chemical change. Chemically it is. Grow and change their color. Chemical reaction. Cooking of food also chemical reaction. Yes. So this is the revision video. Yes, thank you.